Here's the truth. Your tenants don't want to call you, and they definitely don't want to download another app just to pay rent or report a leaky faucet. They want to text, and they want an answer right now. But constant texting can eat up your whole day if you're doing it yourself. That's why a text-first platform powered by real agentic AI is the smartest way to manage properties today, especially for tenants who don't want tech headaches or another login to remember. Welcome back to our Agentic AI for Rental Management series, where we break down how true agentic AI, not just basic bots, takes everyday tasks off your plate and keeps things easy for your tenants. Today we're digging into why text-first communication is the modern way to run your rentals. It's simple for you and simple for tenants, even the non-tech savvy ones. Nobody wants another login or app. Your tenants are already on their phones 24/7, and if they can handle rent payments, maintenance requests, or lease questions by just sending a text, no downloads, no logins, no website clicks, they will. And they expect an answer instantly. When you make it that easy, you get fewer excuses, faster payments, and fewer headaches for everyone. This is where MagicDoor's text-first platform, powered by agentic AI, flips the script. Your tenants simply text your dedicated property number, no special app, no account setup, no passwords to forget. Do they want to pay rent? They can text that information in. Do they need a maintenance fixed? They can text that information in. They have a lease question? They can text that question. And then MagicDoor's agentic AI picks it up immediately. It can answer routine questions specific to that lease. It pulls the right details, handles maintenance triage, even offering maintenance solutions, or can confirm payments, all through the same text thread. In the background, you see it all in one clean, organized communication center, so every message, answer, and action is tracked automatically with zero lost details. If the AI needs more info, it uses AI runbooks to keep the conversation moving, gathering details, offering solutions, or scheduling vendors all by text. It only brings you in when it really needs you, and you're welcome to jump in at any time if you would like. So picture this. A tenant doesn't know how to pay rent. Instead of logging into a portal they'll never remember, they just text your property number. MagicDoor's AI replies instantly with their payment link, due date, and confirmation. No extra steps. Or a tenant's AC stops working. They text, the AI checks the issue, asks a few quick questions, maybe even offers some solutions, runs it through your runbook, and books a technician. All by text, no apps or websites required. Not every tenant wants to learn new tech, but everyone can send a text. When you make it easy, you get faster replies, faster payments, and happier renters who stay longer. You stay organized with a single communication hub. They get simplicity, and you get time back. Now, most platforms tack on messaging, or force tenants into a clunky portal that they'll never check. MagicDoor is different. It's built as a true text-first agentic AI native platform. Your tenants don't need a login or to download a thing, they just text. And your agentic AI handles the rest automatically, answering questions, confirming payments, and even triaging maintenance 24/7. All of these responses are not just automatic, basic answers. They are tailored to that tenant and to that lease, pulling information from the entire platform. That's where agentic AI versus just a chatbot makes a huge difference. Not to mention, MagicDoor also has instant AI translation, meaning a tenant can text you fully in their language, let's say Spanish, you receive it in your language, English, and when you respond, the AI sends their message directly in Spanish. So they're only seeing Spanish, you're only seeing English. And this is for any language in the world. And the best part is that MagicDoor is a tool that is not only bringing agentic AI to property management and making your life easier, but it's completely free with no monthly subscription fees and no contracts. So you may as well check it out with the link in the description or go to magicdoor.com. Texting is how your tenants want to communicate, and agentic AI makes sure you're not buried in messages at 2 a.m. In this series, we've been showing you every piece of your rental business that you can hand over to agentic AI, from tenant screening to maintenance, accounting, and beyond. If you're ready to see how the MagicDoor text-first agentic AI-powered platform keeps your tenants happy and your time protected, click the link below or go to magicdoor.com to get started. And remember, it's all free, no contracts, thanks to real agentic AI. So why not try it out? Hit subscribe and don't miss the next episode. If you have any questions, drop them below. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.